think one of the best things about making money online is that you can just click a single button and just like that, you can get paid. In today's video, that's exactly what I'm going to be showing you today. You're going to be clicking on a button and you are going to get paid with just one click of a button. I know you guys want to know what it is, so if you want to get started, make sure you type in www. What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money-making videos every single day, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up so you can be the first to know and try it out. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you're going to get paid for clicks. You can earn up to $400 for every single click that you get with today's method, the one that I'm going to show you right now. You're probably wondering, what's the catch? There is no catch. You're not going to be paying for anything. It's completely free, risk-free. You don't need to do anything at all except to click. Anyone from anywhere around the world can do this method. You don't need any skills, any experience. All you need is a device and an internet connection, and follow the instructions that I'm going to be giving you. And watch until the very end, and I know you guys want to jump into it, so let's do that. First thing you want to do is go on over to OGAds.com. Now, right away, you're going to see that this platform is the #1 content locking network, and this is where you can easily make money off your website, blog, app, or social media accounts with OG Ads Profit Generating Content Locker. Now, these words are probably very unfamiliar to you right now, but don't worry, I'm here with you until the very end, and we're going to go through every single thing in this entire procedure in complete detail so you're not going to get confused. Okay, right here, this app is available on the Apple App Store and the Google Play Store, so you can use either or since it is available on both devices. And to quote what they say on their page, check your stats on the go with our feature-rich mobile app. You can even create content lockers and get links to promote directly from your phone. So basically, you can do this method even when you're not at home because it's super accessible. You can take it anywhere with you. You can use it on your phone. You could be having lunch with your friends. You could be attending parties. You can be at the movies, anything at all, and you're still going to earn a lot of money online. Now, it's about time that we go through the entire sign-up process. But before that, okay, I want to remind you that you can browse through the entire page, discover and explore what you're going to be working with. But this page contains everything that you need to know, everything that you want to know, all of the information that's important, whether you have questions or some things maybe still bothering you a little bit. They're very transparent. They provide you with every single information, every single detail. So by all means, you can, go through that and explore on your own to feed your curiosity and explore the page at your own pace. And now the sign-up process is super duper easy. You can go back to the topmost part of the page, and then you're going to see this button right here that says sign up. And if you haven't figured it out yet, you're going to click on that. You're then going to be brought to this page where you're going to start the application or the registration process. As soon as you're on the page, you're going to feel a bit overwhelmed because there are 4 parts to the account creation process. So let's start with the access info setup. So that's just going to be your username, your email, your address, your password. And then they're going to ask you to repeat your password again just to confirm, and then you're going to go on to the next button, and then it's going to take you to the next page, which is the address information. You're just going to type in your first name, your last name, your address, the city that you're currently living in, your regional postal code, your country. It's only going to take a couple of seconds. Next, again, they're going to be questions for general information, so it's important to fill these fields in because if you don't answer the questions with enough detail, they're not going to be able to confirm and approve your account. If you guys want to earn even more money online, over $1,000 every single day, make sure you check our description box down below. We have a gift for you in our description box down below. So make sure you check out the description box down below if you want to earn even more money online every single day. I also want you to comment down below what country you reside in and what your favorite or preferred payment method is so that my next video will be more relevant to our subscribers. Now let's keep going then. Now, question 1, okay, why do you want to work with OG Ads? You're just going to say something like, the idea of earning money online and adding a little flair that's specific to your personality something like that. You just have to say that you want to learn how to make money online. You're very creative, you're very resourceful, you can be professional, you can be the best that you can. You just need to give the best response, and including the next questions as well. Next question: how did you hear about OG Ads? You can say that you heard from them from this channel or YouTube. And then, how long have you been doing COA for this field? They offer a selection you to choose from, so I want you to choose 6 to 12 months. By doing that, they are going to see that you have a solid background in this field of work. Then you can be a good candidate to be part of their platform. Question number 4: what are your monthly earnings? For this one, you also have like a ton of different choices, so just select 100 to 250. Then for this question, please list your previous networks you've worked with. You can type in all the networks that you've been affiliated with, so just fill in what is applicable. The next selection contains all of the information for traffic sources. This part contains all the details, regarding your website niches or accounts which are not used by OG Ads or made public. Begin with the first question: how do you plan to promote our offers and monetization tools? You can just click, link the video that you're watching right now, or you can put in your account. That could be also good help in the promotion of their services in OG Ads. Then the second question asks you to list your current content locking websites that you own. If you don't have any of your own, you can just input your social media links like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and others. Then you're going to proceed with the third question: what kind of traffic do you primarily promote? Just answer United States traffic. And as soon as you're done with that, you can move on to the next section, which is the promotional social account. In this section, you're going to list all of the promotional accounts that you use, as well as your follower amounts. Just enter the account details of what is applicable. The social media sites that you have, like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, YouTube, Snapchat. After you're done that successfully, the last section is all about your contact information. So just put that in there, and once everything's ready to go, last part is going to be clicking on the next button. You're going to then be taken to this page where you're just going to check their terms and conditions. Then you're going to agree, obviously, and then you're going to do the CAPTCHA, and then you're going to show that you're an actual human being and not a robot. And as soon as you're done, you're ready to go, and now you have an account, which is awesome. But you're far from done, obviously. Now you're on your dashboard, and I want you to go on over to the upper part of the page and then locate the section for tools. Then you will see this one right here saying Capture Lockers just below Incentive Tools, and I want you to click on that. You're then going to be taken to this page. You're going to learn more of what you're getting into, and as soon as you're done browsing the page, you're going to click on this button that says Create CAPTCHA Locker. It's then going to take you to this page where you're going to then access the official money-making method. Now, before we get onto the real money-making part, if you're having fun with today's video so far, then make sure that you like this video and subscribe if you aren't subscribed yet. And of course, comment about all of the wonderful things that you're loving so far, or maybe leaving some suggestions down below. Anything and all will be appreciated. Now, let's get back into the video. Now, for the name of our locker, you can just put in incognito, money CAPTCHA, and for the notes, you can just leave that blank and then select the option for redirect, which commands the redirection to another URL. And on the redirect URL section, I want you to type in incognitommoney.com. Once you've finished typing that specific information, I want you to move on to the next part by clicking on the advanced section to be revealed to another set of fields. Then I'm going to be showing you how to fill it in for conversion. You can put 2 if you're a bit ambitious, but I do suggest you only select 1 for now. Then for the minimum offers, I advise that you choose 3 so that more offers will spring up for the people that will see this. And then for maximum offers, you're gonna go long and select 8. It's not gonna hurt, so just reach until the very up to the sky. And the next part is the payout threshold. I want to go low, choose 15 cents. It's gonna benefit you greatly, everyone associated. Then for access time, suggest that you put in 1 day so that money will come in non-stop after the advanced section. So go on over to the device specific and just follow everything I say step by step. Title, just say content locked, capture verification is needed for the desktop description. Just skip that one. To move on to the desktop offer type, you're just going to do CPI prioritized, then TPA, then PIN afterwards. Just copy the desktop title right here on the mobile title. Then again, leave the field blank for a description to just proceed to the mobile offer type sort, which is just the same with the desktop version. As soon as you're done, hit on the button for create locker. Basically, a CAPTCHA is developed, but for them to pass the CAPTCHA, they have to complete a locker in order to prove that they are an actual human being. This is greatly beneficial since the people are forced to do the CAPTCHA in order to access the domain they're getting into. Just by doing this, you're going to be able to make so much money that's going to grant you the privilege to finally achieve financial freedom. And that is pretty much everything. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We've finally hit 60,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. And our next goal is 70,000, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you missed anything at all. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.